In front of us, we have question 2, second part of exercise 3.6. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find the solutions. We have to first create the equation with this problem and then we will find the solution by the equation. So what is the question? 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also the time taken by 1 man alone. So let what we have to find, time taken by 1 woman. So let the time taken by 1 woman to finish the work is X days, and also the time taken by 1 man to finish the work is Y days. So we will find the work done in 1 day by man and woman. So work done by woman and 1 day is 1 upon X. Also the work done by man in 1 day is 1 by Y. We will understand it through an example. Suppose you have to write 4 pages in 2 days. So in 1 day you type, in 1 day you will, total work is 4 and number of days to complete this is 2. So this is, in 1 day you type 2 pages. Same way, total work is 1 and total number of days is X by woman. Also the total work is 1 and number of days man take is Y. So 1 by Y, 1 by X. Now according to question, first condition. First condition is 2 women and 5 men together can finish an embroidery work in 4 days. So first we will write 2 women's 1 day work is 2 into 1 by X. 5 men's 1 day work is 5 into 1 by Y upon 1 by 4, because they take 4 days total. So 1 by 4 day work is less. So now second equation is, second condition is 3 women and 6 men. 3 women 1 day work is 3 into 1X and 6 men's 1 day work is 6 into 1 by Y, and they completed in 1 by 3 days. 1 by Y equals to B in equation 1 and 2. This is 1, this is 2. So this is 2A plus 5B equals to 1 by 4. This is 3A plus 6B equals to 1 by 3. Now we will multiply this equation with 3 for finding the value of A and B, and we will multiply this equation by 2. Now this is 6A plus 5B equals to 3 by 4. I am writing this equation again on this page. 6A plus 5 3 is 15. This is 15 plus 15B equals to 3 by 4. And second equation we get is 6A plus 12B equals to 2 by 3. So this is our, now subtract these equations. Subtract these. When we will subtract these equations, we get 3B equals to 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. That is 3B equals to 9 minus 8 upon 12. That is 3B equals to 1 upon 12. That is B equals to 1 upon 36. Now put the value of B. Put value of B in equation. I left the equation 3 or 4. 3A plus 6 into 1 upon 36 equals to 1 upon 3. That is 3a is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6. That is 3a equals to 1 upon 6. A is equal to 1 upon 18. So, but a is equal to 1 by x and value of a is 1 upon 18. So 1 upon 18 equals to 1 by x. This implies x is equal to 18. B is equal to 1 upon y. That is 1 upon 36 is equal to 1 upon y. This implies y is equal to 36. Therefore, we can write time taken by one moment to finish the work is time taken by one moment to finish the work is 18 days, and the time taken by one man to finish the work is 36 days. Okay, thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.